We have continuing coverage of the Black Swan murder trial.
He started calling me names. And he said, I can see what you're doing. You're trying to get me to leave. He said, I don't have to leave. I can stay and spend the night if I want to because I'm your husband.
Former ballerina Ashley Benefield took the stand today in her own defense. Benefield is on trial for the 2020 murder of her husband, Doug, in Lakewood Ranch.
Bring it to Tampa Bay's Adoria Chumba, who's been following this case. And Adoria, we did not expect to see her take the stand so soon.
Absolutely. Initially, it wasn't clear if Ashley Benefield would even take the witness stand in her own defense. However, it was decided by the defense team that it was important for the jury to hear directly from her, especially after Ashley's claims of self-defense from a husband she described as abusive.
Doug was standing in the doorway. His face was red. Like the veins were bulging in his neck. The way he was looking at me, it didn't even look like Doug. His eyes were black.
A tearful Ashley Benefield telling jurors what she says happened on September 27th, 2020, and the argument that led to the shooting.
We ended up in our daughter's bedroom, and he started screaming at me. He started calling me names.
Ashley claims she told Douglas to leave, but instead says he hit her with a box. Fearing for her life, Ashley said that's when she grabbed her gun.
I held the gun like in front of me, and I said, stop. And he turned and he got into this like a fighting stance. He started coming towards me, and then he lunged at me, and I started pulling the trigger. And he just kept coming. And I remember trying to move to get away from him, but he kept coming at me.
Then describing what happened next.
It was like his feet slipped out from under him and his legs went up in the air.
When Doug hits the floor, what's your immediate reaction?
I ran to get help.
The prosecution challenging Ashley's version of events on cross-examination.
Did he have his hands in fists?
Not at that point. They were like, I don't know.
Was he coming at you like this?
When he lunged at me, he came very quickly.
Okay, so he lunged. Was his fist up when he lunged?
I don't remember.
And prosecutors say Doug Benefield was unarmed and wasn't a threat when Ashley shot and killed him. Lawyers say a custody battle was at the center of the couple's conflict. Now, if convicted, Ashley Benefield faces 25 years to life in prison. In studio, Adoria Chumba, 10 Tampa Bay.